Hi guys, today we're outside and I'm all alone again, unboxing my new book for being an 8th grade student now. This is from Mommy. Now we'll take off the bubble wrap. I'm very experienced with tonight.
Exclusive. Ano yan?
Holy book.
How much is that?
960.
So you owe me 960.
It's not, I don't owe you anything.
Oh, di mo, matama niyang mukha mo.
I'm experienced with it.
On the sides.
I'm taking the safe from the front. I'll surely be entertained for a while. There's a bookmark that came with it.
Okay. Where's the book?
This is the book. Very long.
Mm.
That's longer than the previous one.
Okay.
I'll read this within a day maybe.
Oh, you say thank you.
I did finish the book within that very day. Thank you for watching and thank you, Mommy, for buying me the book itself.
No, it's not a gift.
It's not a gift.
You owe me 960.
No. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you next cooking vlog. The next cooking vlog.
The title.